Good morning children. Today we will do exercise 1.4 question number 3. We are doing actually the division on integer. So here the fill in the blanks you can see here where it is 369 divided by which number you will get the number itself. It is, remember that identity 1 is the identity of division. So when you are dividing 369 by 1, you can get 369 only. Now the number is minus 75. By which number you will divide 75 minus 75 to get minus 1? Think about this rough work. Minus 75, when you are dividing by 75, then only you will get minus 1. So the result is minus 75. In the same way, when you are dividing 206 by some number and you are getting 1, then the rough work you can do here, minus 206 divided by which number you are getting 1 only. So it must be 206 and it is minus also, because minus minus will be cancelled out. 206 divided by 206, result will be 1. So which number it will be here in the blank portion, you have to write 206. Now here the question has changed a little bit. Now the dividend is missing. Now which number, when you will divide by 1 and you are getting minus 87? Think and give me the answer. Yes, it is minus 87 only. When you are getting minus 87 divided by 1 and you are getting this result. Now which number, when you are dividing by 4 and you are getting minus 3? Think about it. Which number? You are dividing any number and you are getting minus 3. Actually, you are dividing 12 by 4. Then you will get 3. But if you need minus 3, so it must be minus 12. That is why it is 12. It is minus 3. In the other way also you can get. You can multiply these two to get this one. Understood? You can multiply 4 into minus 3, then also you can get minus 12. Understood? Next question is question number 4. Write 5 pairs of integers. Here it is indicating by two variables a and b. Write 5 pairs of integers such that a divided by b means first integer divided by the second integer, the result is minus 3. You have to write 5 such integers. One such pair is 6 minus 2. If you take this example, when we are dividing 6 divided by minus 2, you are getting, yes, minus 3. When you are dividing this, you are getting minus 3 as the result. So in this way, we have to find the same pair of integer where we are getting the result is minus 3. So whenever we are getting the result is minus 3, so you need to get one number here. Which one will be the multiple of 3? 6 I have taken. Next 6 to the 3 to the 6 I have taken 1. It is given as an example. So next number 6, 3 3s are. Take 9 as an example. 9, when you are dividing 9, by which number 9 will be divided to get 3? Think and give me the answer. By which number, when you divide it by 3, when you will divide 9 by any number and the result is 3, it must be 3 and the result is minus 3. So you have to divide it by minus 3. And think, when you are dividing 9 by minus 3, what result you will get? 3 3 is the 9, and as the minus is there, so you are getting minus 3. The same way, next pair. So the pair you are getting here, one number is 9 and another is minus 3. Next pair, the result is again minus 3. Your result is again minus 3 and you are finding the another pair. 3 4s are 12. Dividing it by minus 4, what you will get? Again see, you are getting minus 3. Now I think it will be easy for you. Then it will be 9 4s are 12. Next number, again your result is minus 3. Next number 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 2 just 6 they have given. You are getting 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. In this way, how many you want you can get. So divided by, now minus 5. 15 when divided by 5 you will get 3, and 15 when divided by minus 5 you will get 3. Okay. Next question, D, in another pair is, say 15, 3 plus 3 is 16, 3 6 ja 18 divided by minus 6. Again you are getting minus 3 e 6 7 ja 21. When you are dividing it by minus 7, you will get minus 3. So here the point, the pairs are, you have to write the pairs also. You have there write 5 pairs of integers. So first pair you have written 9 minus 3. Second pair you can write, yes, it is 12 and minus 4. Third pair you can write 15 and minus 5. Everywhere you are getting minus 3 as a result. Third one is 18 comma minus 6. Fifth one is 21 comma minus 7. You can get another one also. It is not that you have to go to in this way only. You can think about 30. When you are dividing 30 by any number and you want to get 3 as a result, so what number you will divide? Yes, you will divide by 10, but which condition? It is minus 10. In this way you can give the pairs of the integers, pairs of integer where you are getting minus 3 as a result. Next question is question number 5. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius. Temperature was 10 degrees Celsius. Which time? It was 12 noon. And see the question, just above 0, that means it is positive 10 degree. Above 0 means positive 10 degree. First you read the question properly. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0. If it is decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour, 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, that means the temperature is decreasing 2 degrees Celsius per hour. So midnight, until midnight, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius? Then you have to find out when the temperature reaches 8 degrees Celsius below, at what time the below 0. That means minus 8 degrees Celsius. At which time the temperature will reaches minus 8 degrees Celsius, because it is below 0. What would be the temperature at midnight? Okay, the question is like this. At 12 noon, it is at 12 noon, the temperature is 10 degrees Celsius above 0. Above 0 means it is a positive temperature. So positive temperature, that is plus 10 degrees Celsius. I have drawn one number line here. Check it properly. I have drawn one number line here. 2 degrees Celsius, the gap is 2 degrees Celsius. I have drawn one number line. As it is starting from 10 degrees Celsius. So from 10 degrees Celsius, at which time it was 10 degrees Celsius? At it was 12 noon. The temperature was 10 degrees Celsius at 12 noon. Then it is gradually decreasing 1 hour, 2 degrees Celsius per hour. That means after 12 noon, it will be 1 p.m. and the temperature will be 2 degree less than 10 degrees Celsius, that means 8 degrees Celsius. In this way, then it will be 6 degrees Celsius at 2 p.m. Understood? The temperature is decreasing by 2 degrees Celsius every hour. As it is decreasing 2 degrees Celsius every hour, so 10 degrees Celsius, it was 12 noon, temperature was 10 degrees Celsius. At 1 p.m. it will be 8 degrees Celsius, 2 degree less than 10. Again 2 degree less than 8 is 6 degrees Celsius. At 2 p.m. the temperature was 6 degrees Celsius. In this way, at 3 p.m. it will be 4 degrees Celsius, and so on. It is 4 p.m. and then 4 p.m. the temperature will be 2 degrees Celsius, and 6 p.m. it will be 0 degrees Celsius. See, 0 is in the number line. I have drawn the number line vertically. 0 degrees Celsius means it is the positive one I have written on the above 0, and the negative one temperature I have written down of 0. Then 2 degrees Celsius after 6 p.m. it will be 7 p.m. minus 2 degrees Celsius. 8 p.m. temperature become minus 4 degrees Celsius. 9 p.m. minus 6 degrees Celsius. In this way, see, we have started at 10 degrees Celsius at 12 noon, 2 degree less at 1 p.m. Then again 2 degree less at 2 p.m. Again 2 degree less at 3 p.m. Again 2 degree less. Then it is 4 p.m. 0 degrees Celsius. That means minus 2 degrees Celsius. Again from 2 p.m. 2 degrees Celsius. Then it will be 0 degrees Celsius. 5 p.m. Then minus 2 degrees Celsius. 6 p.m. minus 4 degrees Celsius. 7 p.m. minus 6 degrees Celsius. 8 p.m. minus 8 degrees Celsius. 9 p.m. And the question was, at what time would the temperature be 8 degree below 8 degrees Celsius below 0? 8 degrees Celsius below 0 means negative 8 degrees Celsius. 8 degree Celsius below 0 equal to minus 8 degrees Celsius. That means the question was, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? See, at 9 p.m. Then we have got our question and answer of the first part of this question. The solution, the answer is, therefore, at 9 p.m. the temperature will be minus 8 degree Celsius. That means when the temperature will be below 8 degrees Celsius, that means it will be 8 degrees Celsius below 0 means 8 degrees Celsius minus 8 degrees Celsius. At what time the temperature will reaches minus 8 degrees Celsius? At 9 p.m. the temperature will reaches minus 8 degrees Celsius. Then the question is not in here. What would be the temperature at midnight? So you have to go continue the timing in this way. 9 p.m. then it will be 10 p.m. up to midnight you have to go 11 p.m. and 12 p.m. that is midnight. One answer you have got here, that is 8 p.m. first answer. 9 p.m. the temperature reaches minus 8 degrees Celsius. This is first answer. And 12 p.m. what will be the temperature? So the temperature at midnight. What would be the temperature at midnight? Temperature at midnight, next answer is temperature at midnight will be minus 14 degrees Celsius. I hope all of you understood this one, and if you follow the number line, and I have put the temperature here and the timing here, so it will be very easy for you. Thank you, children.